Okay, Ken D. This is your LC995 V2. Alright. I ran out of the gray tape, so I put black tape on there. It's still 3M tape, but make sure you don't leave it on there, okay? Go ahead and take it off. There's the pill-up thing, but I just wanted to protect the chrome on the bezel. There's the two new finals. Alright. I'll demo that output to you here in just a second. One thing I wanted to show you is that this run right here was burned in two, okay? So what I did was put a small piece of wire, like a lead, just like this, okay? From this point here, from this point right here, over to this point, okay? And then I built up the solder over it. I went all the way out to the AM voltage regulator. The AM voltage regulator is fine, okay? Didn't hurt it, but it made this guy momentarily draw too much current. When he drew too much current, it melted that run right there, okay? But it was this final and this final. All right. I have replaced these with original Galaxy finals. No aftermarket. They are the originals, just like installed at the factory. Okay, now I remember you saying something about it had less output power in with the amp on. Well, your radio don't have an amp. You didn't order an RFX 150. Here is the control wire for an amp if you decide to add an RFX 150. Okay, it would mount back here. And the radio is already set up for it. In other words, when you move that guy over to amp, all this, that used to be the Roger Beat. Okay, when you move it over to amp, it puts 8 volts on this wire, okay, which would allow you to key an amplifier. All right, there's your AM voltage regulator. They're using a 2SB827, which is a good voltage regulator. Okay, Galaxy upgraded all of their voltage regulators to higher current regulators. But there it is. Okay, let's do some output power checks. You can see it's powering up now. It's no longer dark. All right. Let me turn the peak meter on. Make sure that I'm going through the bird. Yep. And I got 100 watt slugs in there. I'm on ×1 scale on both of them. And let's see, where's RF power? Let me turn the RF power all the way up. Audio, hello, audio. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can see we're a little over 10 watts on average, and almost 50 watts on peak, looks like. Audio, no, we're a few numbers shy, about 43, 42, 43 watts. That's on AM. Okay, this is on sideband. Audio. About 38 watts on sideband and about 10 watts on AM. I mean, on average. About 38 watts peak and about 10 watts average. All right. But there it is. I don't know if you can even see the meter. Put this thing back in RF power. Yeah, all the way over to the left where it says off, that means your SWR is off. That means your amp is off. Right now you're just reading power. Either incoming power or outgoing power. Audio, hello, audio. Audio. That meter is pretty close to being correct. Okay. Let's see. Let me flip on the generator real quick. Get on channel 20. this one on 20. And switch to internal. There you go, S9. Okay. All right, turn that generator off. And disconnect it, put it all back together, get it sent out to you. Okay, there you go. Thanks a lot.